Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to day 14. Yes, I think it's day 14. I always have to check. I forget. Okay, hold on. Yes, it is day 14 of me knitting on the Kintra sweater test knit. I finished the body this morning, aka like 1, 2, it could have been 3 a.m. I don't know. Something a.m. that was diabolical. And now it's time for the body ribbing, which is on 3mm needles. Okay, so now I have to find my 3mm needles, which I only have in ChowGoo. 3mm, perfect. So I have my 3mm ChowGoo fixed circular, and I am now ready to start on the ribbing for today. Okay, it is 12:51. It just turned 12:51. It's 12:51 p.m., which is perfect timing because you guys know this is typically when I start my day of knitting on the regular. Okay, so I have 15 rounds of ribbing to do on 3mm needles. I want to finish all of that today because the next 3 days I want to dedicate to just sleeves, which means I want to do my sleeves in the next 3 days so that I can finish this on Saturday. And then I'll be done because I have plans. So anyway, I am back on track to finishing when I plan to finish. So let's get started. I'm gonna take like a 30-minute nap. Oh my god, guys. I needed that nap badly, okay? I was knitting and I was just like, oh, I'm so tired, like so tired, okay? I was like, you know what, let me just take a 30-minute nap. Like, let me just rest. Bruh, I feel so energized. It's currently 6:13 p.m. I am on like round 5, I think. So yes, I still have 10 more rounds to go, but I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna finish it tonight, okay? Don't worry. But I am so glad I took that nap because now I feel like I have the energy. I was taking my project out. Now I feel like I have the energy to continue. And the crazy thing is, I'm not even going to rush through this. This is what I have so far. This is 5 rounds. It's so tiny. But I'm not even gonna rush through it. I'm just gonna chill and just enjoy the knitting process. I mean, I don't ever not enjoy the knitting process, but you know when you're at the end of something, when you're like right on the cusp of finishing and achieving a goal, do you ever feel the urge to just like speed up, and then you start feeling the urge to like throw up? It's like, oh gosh, I'm almost there. I used to feel like that whenever I would run track in high school. And I would get close, middle school and high school, I would get close to the finish line. I just feel the urge to like throw up because like one more push. And it's like, I know I'm not going to throw up, but like that urge is just like, oh gosh. Anyway, yeah, I don't want to get that feeling. So I'm just going to chill knit, watch an episode or 2 of Game of Thrones, and then go back and chill with my sister and knit with her so that we can both like feed off of each other's energy and stay up a little bit, watch some Fortnite. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Guys, I have finished the body, so it's now time to bind off. I'm watching Fortnite in the background. Guys, It is currently 12:11 a.m., okay? And, you know, I tried so hard to meet my goal. And I did! Oh! The body is done. It is bound off, okay? This was the worst thing I've ever done in my life, all right? In my life. And now my battery's dying. But fingering weight, 300 plus stitches, binding off. If I did Italian bind off, I would cry. I do the regular bind off in pattern. So, you know, this only took me like an hour to do, I'd say. Yeah. But look at this. These are two different skeins here, and you can't even tell. That's beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to change my battery right quick because I need to yap. Okay, I'm back. But yes, I finished. I cannot believe. This is the length. So you can see. The length is here. So this is over my butt. And this is not the, I need to turn it this way, I think. Yeah, here we are. So putting it up to my neck like this, it is right at just below my waistline. And so here, this is where my leggings stop, and it stops like this much. This is my legging. This is where my waist is right here. So it goes just below it, right above the crotch area. So when it blocks out, it's gonna be a perfect length because I don't think it's going to drop that much since I feel like this will probably widen a little bit, but who knows? It's superwash merino, okay? This thing will probably stretch like crazy, which I'm excited for. This is why I love using superwash with color work, but I just love how it's coming together and I cannot wait to do the sleeves. Oh my gosh, I'm watching Kahila do the sleeves right now and she is zooming, okay? So my goal for tomorrow is to get more than halfway through a sleeve, potentially finish it. Or potentially get to, finishing the sleeve before the ribbing. Ooh, that'll be good. But yeah, anyway, I don't know how quickly I can knit a fingering weight sleeve because my entire timeline for things got thrown off with this entire sweater. But 2 weeks of progress, and this is pretty good, if I do say so myself, and I do. But I am very tired, so I'm going to go to bed and talk to you guys again tomorrow. Good night.